beautiful stitch. Hi, I'm Veronica with Authorized Vac and Sew, and today I am making cloth napkins with my serger. So I have placemats that were made, and I just absolutely love them. And I wanted to make some cloth napkins to match. So this is fabric we have in our store, and this is other fabric that we have in our store that we use for our backing that I wanted to do a rolled hem on to match my napkins. One of the things I want to go back to for the placemats is that I love placemats, and I also love cloth napkins. That's how I like to serve dinner. So in the past, I've always made placemats with batting. Now I am making placemats with this Bosal foam, and they're so much more substantial, and like when I put my plates on them, I feel like it's protecting my plates more as well, and it just washes up well. So if you've ever thought about making your own placemats, this is just a great product for that. I'm also serging my cloth napkins. I double them, and I'm serging my cloth napkins on this Janome 2000D serger, which is a Airthread serger, and I don't think that it's talked about enough because Janome makes such a great product, and this is also a great product that Janome makes, this serger. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and thread my lower looper right now with the Janome 2000D and just show you how easy it is to thread the dreaded lower looper that no one likes to thread, and watch how easy this happens. It's going to come right out here. There we go. Threaded. And voila. Okay, so the thread that I'm using in the upper looper, because loopers have larger eyes in them so that you can fit thicker threads to flow through. So you wouldn't want to put something like this in your needle, but it can go in your loopers to give you a really pretty decorative edge. And this is Wonderfil. We stock all of this, and it's the 8 thread. We have 12 threads, 8 threads. The lower the number, the heavier the thread. So this is a rayon, 100% rayon 8 thread. And then I just love this. This is, so this one's called Razzle. This one is called Dazzle. And for a reason, it has metallic in it, which would be so pretty on the edge of my napkins as well too. So now that we're all threaded up with our serger thread that we're using today, I have just sewn down one edge. There's my little tail, and I've sewn down the other edge. I'm actually going to use Fray block once it's done. This is my favorite Fray block. Once it's done, I'm going to put some on each corner. I'm going to let it sit, and then I'll cut those little tails later, and I'll have perfect edges. Okay, so the reason why I wanted to show my cloth napkins was to show how awesome this serger is and how beautiful the stitch is, but also how easy it is to thread. I think that's a big problem for a lot of people out there, and that's why they give up sewing or serging, because the machine is just too difficult to use. This machine is not. It even includes needle threaders, and usually needle threaders on sergers are a little kind of wonky, but I was super impressed by the needle threaders as well as the self-threading loopers on this machine. Very, very easy to use. So it is on sale right now. One of the things that I also am offering right now with this serger is this package. It's called the Serger Accessory Pack. So normally you would have to purchase all of these different presser feet optionally, a piping foot where you can make your own piping with your serger, which makes it perfect and leaves you a perfect 1/4-inch flange, a beading attachment. This is a cloth guide, gathering attachment, cording foot. This one is your elastic foot, which helps you lay down your elastic perfectly, another cording foot, and another foot as well. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different presser feet that comes with this machine right now. A really nice bag to hold your feet. And then you also have, written by the Janome Education Department, which they are just amazing, you have a whole workbook that you can work through to learn how to use all the functions and features on this machine. So good time to buy right now. This machine is on special. You'd be really surprised because most sergers out there that have an Airthread are $2,000 and higher, and you will be shocked when you call me and you hear what our deal is on the phone today. So you can call me. My phone number is 559-439-2560. If you are ready to get an amazing serger, I have these in stock, and I absolutely love this serger. I think it's just it's a workhorse. It sews very smoothly and it's easy to thread. So that's what you're looking for.